welcome to my channel. You know I had to do my intro with my MONSTA X light stick. I love it so much. It matches me. So today I did this beautiful, sexy, sultry, very wet, dewy looking makeup look. It is inspired by, obviously, as you know by the title, the Shootout MV of MONSTA X. I absolutely loved the music video. I love the song. I haven't stopped listening to it. I am so proud of my boys. I am so I love MONSTA X so much. There's honestly not enough words that I can say. They are the group that got me into K-pop. Comment down below who your bias is in MONSTA X. If you guys did not know, mine is Juhani. I love them all equally. I love them all, but my bias is Juhani. That boy does something to me. I hope you guys stick around. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. My base is already done. I have brows, I have foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, blush. Only thing I don't have is the eyes, obviously. My highlight and my lips. Guys, ladies and gents, I love MONSTA X so much. I saw that music video and nearly threw my phone across the room. I was in LA when I saw the music video and oh my god, they look so good. Shownu, this is Shownu's era. This is Shownu's era. He's looking so good. He always looks good. They all look good. They're so beautiful and so talented and so amazing. So let me just get into the makeup look because I'm just here rambling about how much I love MONSTA X. And if you guys have been following me for quite a bit, you know how much I love MONSTA. Those are my boys. They are my absolute favorite group. They are just cheeks, visuals, dance line, rap line, just overall talented, beautiful, amazing human beings. Okay, let's go. So I snapshotted some pictures from the music video for inspiration. There are so many. So I'm thinking of doing this like oil, like this is not from the music video, but this like totally inspired me. It's like a hand with oil dripping. I loved it. So I want to do something like black asphalt oil, you know, like, and obviously glitter because it's me. Let me show you guys the pictures that really inspired me. Look at this picture. Oh, you guys probably can't see because of the reflection. Juhan, guys, Juhan is my ult. Juhan, he looks so good. Ooh, I love this picture. They're so beautiful. They look amazing. I have so many pictures here. I'm just, oh, picture of my hand when I was trying to get a picture. Oh, love this, that he's burning the card. Love it. So there's a lot of inspiration there. I want something very black, very smoky. Keep in mind that this is something inspired by the MV. It is not an inspiration of their makeup looks specifically. If you guys want me to do a makeup look of any K-pop idol, their signature makeup or something like that. I know Jimin has like a stunning signature brown smoky eye. Let me know in the comments below. I would totally do that based off of his specific makeup, but this is off of the music video. And as you can tell, if you've seen the music video, which if you haven't seen the music video, pause this and go watch that. Go. We'll wait for you. So if you've seen the music video, you'll see that it's very dark, very sultry, very just mysterious. I love it. So that's something that we're going for today. The first color that I'm using is this color right here. This is Peach Smoothie from Makeup Geek. I'm grabbing that color with a Morphe M502 and I'm going to start blending it into my crease. I'm using this as my transition shade. I'm going back and forth into the color and building it up to a really nice light peachy shade. You're going to want to go back and forth and build up a color like this because it is really, really, really light. So if you want something a little smokier, you're gonna wanna deepen up the color just a little bit. So for looks like this, I like to have a black base because I want something that's really smoky. I normally would get NYX's Chunky Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Coffee, but I can't find it. It is their black eye pencil. I think it's Coffee Bean Coffee, something like that. It's really good, super creamy, and really great to work with. So since I can't find that, we're gonna have to improvise. I like using nice creamy gel eyeliners. This one is really good. This is Pretty Vulgar's the ink Blacklist. It's their gel eyeliner, obviously, like I said. I'm gonna just grab a flat brush And I'm gonna start pressing it onto my eyelid. And this is gonna be great for us to just get a really nice black base and put colors on top of it so they can kind of pop more. I like to blink up like that so then it transfers so that I know where to take it up to. That looks super funny. Okay, now I'm gonna get a dark brown like this. This is Cheens from the Dose of Colors DesixKaty Friendcation palette. And I'm going to start pressing that right on the border of that black eyeliner. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to start blending out the edges. I'm gonna start pulling that color out a little bit just to angle the eye a bit. I feel like when the eye is smoky and kind of blown out in an angle, it really gives a nice like mysterious look to it, you know what I mean? At this point, the black is not blended yet into the brown. I want to get the brown down before getting the black because all this blending is going to make it spread out and it's going to eat up my whole eye. So I want to do the lighter color first and then I'm going to go into a black eyeshadow and kind of marry that brown and the black base together. So right now I'm just putting the brown down. Now I'm gonna get a black eyeshadow. The one I'm using specifically is this one right here from the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette. And I'm going in with a really small blending brush. This is the Morphe M506. Let me get a little more. And now I'm keeping it very, very, very tight between that brown and the black base. I want this to be right in the middle. Make sure you use a really good black eyeshadow. You want it to be really black. You don't want it to be gray or gunmetal-y because then it won't hide that black base, because black gel liner and black pencils tend to be really black. So you need an eyeshadow that helps conceal that. You want it to look like it's this eyeshadow that you have as your base. Let me bring you guys a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Let me adjust this camera because it's looking a little crazy. Okay, now you can see how that black and the brown have met right there. I'm going back into the brown, going back into Cheens. I'm going with a small blending brush, a little bit bigger than the M506, but smaller than this guy right here, the M502 that I used earlier. This is the Morphe M14. And I'm going right in the middle of those colors, very lightly. I'm using the lightest hand. I'm barely touching my eyelid. Now I'm just kind of pulling the color out a little bit from the inner corner of my eye out. Not the inner corner, the inside of my eye out. Now with my big fluffy blending brush, I'm going very softly on the edges. Whoo! Look how smoky that is. These boys deserve a bomb-ass smoky eye in Shootout's name. How beautiful. Now when I add that black glittery color on top, you could even put like a clear gloss. Ooh, that's saucy. A clear gloss over it. That's edgy. That's editorial. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll be right back. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm looking like a smoky kitty. I put some of that gel liner that I used as the base in my waterline in the bottom, and on the top you can use an eye pencil, whatever you want. So I'm going with a tiny little brush. This is the Morphe E35, and I'm going into that black eyeshadow. I'm blending that color in between my lashes. I want a really smoky look. And I'm going back into Cheens and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm grabbing a fluffy brush and just making sure that that's blended into the eye color from the top. Now I'm gonna pop on some black mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. These are from Kiss's Lash Couture collection. They're faux mink and it's in the style Gaia. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Just a Kiss. And I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of this rose water. This is from, I think the brand is called SooAE. I got it at Walmart. And I'm bringing it all the way through the end of the brow. I want it to look almost wet. Okay, my lashes should be pretty dry by now. So I'm going to go in with the star of the show. it is Game Over right here. This is a really nice black color. This is from the Dose of Colors DesixKaty collection. And it looks like oil. It looks like a wet black color. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to just pop that color right over the black. I hope the lighting here is really showing how absolutely beautiful this is. That looks so pretty. Now I'm popping that on the other eye. I'm obsessed with how this looks. It looks exactly the way I envisioned it. That beautiful like wet look. It's like a really nice glittery situation. I don't know what Dose of Colors does, that when they make certain shimmers, it looks literally wet. Like, look at that. I'm obsessed. Now I'm putting a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes, and then we can move on to highlight, my favorite part. Wow, I can't believe we're almost done. Holy shit. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I love that setting spray, it's so good. For highlighter, I want something that looks wet. It continues that, like, you know what I mean? That like dewy, oil slick, just wet look. And the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter is bomb. It is so pretty. It has like these reflex in it that just make it look like your cheek is literally glistening in the water. So I'm grabbing this with the Sigma Accentuate Highlighter F56. You want a really dense brush for this type of look and for this type of highlighter in general, for it to show really potent, or you could just use your finger. All right, so what I'm gonna do is right on the high points of the cheek, I'm gonna just swipe it like that. And then now I'm putting it on its side, and it'll blend out the edges a little bit. You see? Oh my God, that is so beautiful. It just looks so like ethereal, right? I love it. This highlighter is amazing. I hope it's not limited edition and stays here forever. I'm making my highlight really strong for this look, guys, because it's Halloween month. It's a really nice, mysterious, sexy music video, so we're going for that. By the way, guys, I'm gonna be in New York this weekend, so if you're from New York or you're gonna be in New York, let's hang. You guys were asking me and my sister to do like a meetup when we were in LA. Honestly, we were just so busy running around everywhere that we didn't really have time to do something like that. But in New York, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's hang out. Let's go eat. Let me know what you guys want to do. You can even go over the eyelids. Stunning. Stunning. For lips, I'm gonna use MAC's Cork lip liner, and my lipstick is gonna be Shady from Morphe. It's a cream, juicy, wet looking lipstick. We're clearly going for that type of look, guys. It looks like we are done. Waka waka waka. All right, let's do the outro. What do you think? This is the finished look. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I look like a dominatrix or something like that. Super sexy. Wait, hold on, this is kind of falling. Hold on. Also, I have a tube top on in case you guys are wondering if I'm naked. I'm not naked. I have something covering the nips. It looks super sexy. It has that glistening wet look that I really wanted, and I wanted to make it like super extra, especially since it's Halloween month. So I feel like you can even use this for like a Halloween look, get like a whip or something and be like a dominatrix. I mean, I don't know, honestly, but I love it. I also wet my chest with this rose mist that I used earlier, and I put highlighter all over my chest. If you guys love this makeup look, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other makeup looks you want below. The hair I did it with water and oil, by the way, in case you are wondering. Please stand my boys. I love them so much. They are absolutely amazing and they deserve it. They are so awesome and loving and hilarious and super talented. Wait, hold on. Why am I saying bye? Like I totally filmed this entire outro without my light stick. Who am I? Anyways, don't forget to stream it, okay? Stand well, sex. Love ya. Bye.
Shoot! Sabe usar o estilo? Shoot! Down, 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 down. down. I'm down.